Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Okay, for my people, for my subscribers, and for everyone farming Hamster Kombat, congratulations to you. Okay, today we'll be looking at when exactly this Hamster Kombat will be listed. Okay, and congratulations to you, Hamster Kombat listing date is being confirmed. Okay, so before I quickly dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this my amazing channel, do well to subscribe, like, and help to share. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you're kind of yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to this amazing channel, like my videos, and also share my videos. Okay, so without waste of time, let's quickly dive into what exactly brought us here today. Okay, so all you just need to do, navigate yourself to this mining. Okay, you can see this word is mining. So we are going to click on the mining to find out the actual date of the listing date of Hamster Kombat on this very app. Okay, so we're going to click on mine now. So having clicked on mine, it will bring you to something of this nature which every CEO are conversant with. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to click on, or is to go straight to the special. If you go to straight to this special, you're going to see the next interface that is going to be displayed to you without waste of time. Okay, so click on the special. If you click on the special, it will bring you to this very interface. Okay, then you will find a lot of cards here, but there's one interesting card here. Okay, the interesting card here is this very card. Okay, and this very card is carrying what? A countdown with a time here. That's interesting, right? If you don't know what exactly makes it interesting, let me tell you. What makes it interesting is that this very card is counting down for the listing time of Hamster Kombat. Okay, that's a very great thing, right? You can see what's exactly showing here. It's showing a lot of question marks. Web3 game coin. The feature of gaming profit per hour is 16.58 thousand. Okay, so let's look at this counting down, because a lot of people have been saying that Hamster Kombat will be listed on the 10th July, and some people are still saying on the 6th of July. But all I know is that being it on the 6th, on the 10th, or even end of the July month is also a good business, right? Because our most uh, this thing is that the Hamster Kombat should be launched. That's our most expectations. Okay, that's our most expectations. So you can now look at this very time now. Let's calculate this time and check if actually this Hamster Kombat is going to be listed on the 10th or not. Okay, because the hours left here now is 184 hours 35 minutes and 3 something seconds. Okay, so this will take us to our calculator. Let's quickly do that. Let's quickly get to our calculator and see what it has for us. Okay, now we're going to calculate per hours. For each single day is holding what, 24 hours. Okay, now we'll say 24 hours times today. From the day I'm doing this video is on the 2nd, and it's already running out. Okay, which is night already. It's already running out. So I'm going to go into time 24 hours by 7.5, right? 24 hours power by what? By 7.5, which is already 180 hours. Okay, which is already 180 hours. This is to show that this is now to show that Hamster Kombat will be launched on the 9, definitely. No, sorry, on the 10th, definitely. Okay, which is what? Which is 8 days from now. Okay, which is 8 days from now. So the moment this counting down is exhausted, Hamster Kombat will be launched. It will be what? It will be listed. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll be stopping here today. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will get to you ASAP. And if you are yet to join Hamster Combat, I will drop my referral link at the comment section of this very video or at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.